Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. My name is Mary Ellen and today I'm going to be taking you along as I sew a vintage dress pattern. This is going to be a kind of vlog style, just bring you along with the process from cutting out my pieces to cutting out my fabric, sewing it, and then at the end I will show you how it came out. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video if you would like to see more like it. Also give me a follow on my Instagram at maryellen_home. I share a lot more frequently about my garden as well as sewing and some other stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and give me a follow. So the pattern I am going to be using is the Butterick Classics 3844. And it's this pattern. I'm going to be sewing view B. It is this v-neck, kind of like a relaxed fit, and it has a tiered skirt, like a midi length. So I am going to be sewing a size medium in this. It's the 12 to 14. So for notions, it looks like I will need 10 buttons in a size 5/8 of an inch. It says hook and eye, but I don't really think that I'll need that if I'm putting buttons on the dress. So I think I'm going to skip that. And yeah, the fabric that I'm using is really cute. It's this bed sheet actually that I thrifted. It's this really pretty, like a light blue, light aqua gingham. It's a pretty small gingham, but I have this really beautiful red linen that I'm planning on making this in at some point, but I wanted to practice just to work out the sizing. Not that I really have a choice. I think medium is my only choice with the sizing, but I just wanted to have some extra practice, and since it is a vintage pattern, I definitely don't want to mess up my nice fabric on a on an old pattern like this where I can't really make another one with the same fabric. The fabric that I'm using is also, I would consider vintage. I think it's like 25 years old. It was also my grandmother's. This really beautiful bright red colored, kind of like a cherry red linen, which I am pretty pale. So we'll see how it works, but I think it has enough like kind of pink undertones that it won't look too weird on me. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into cutting this pattern out.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no sleep. Hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, oh. 'Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Being on my own, I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. 'Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, it's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass, got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do, Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh,
Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.